The cosmic yawn, a universal phenomenon. Space is vast, filled with stars, planets, and black holes. But did you know, nestled among these celestial wonders, lies a curious phenomenon we all experience: the yawn. Yawning, that irresistible full-body stretch, unites us as humans. It even connects us to other animals on Earth. From tiny mice to giant hippos, yawning knows no bounds. It's a universal language, transcending species and cultures. Why do we yawn? What secrets does this simple act hold? Scientists have been pondering this question for centuries. Aristotle himself believed yawning helped release excess heat from the body. While we've come a long way since then, the answer remains elusive, a captivating mystery waiting to be unraveled. Join me now as we delve into the fascinating world of yawns. We'll explore the science, debunk myths, and uncover the surprising social implications of this everyday act. Get ready for a cosmic journey into the heart of the yawn. Yawning deconstructed, a journey inside. Picture this. You're sitting in a meeting, your eyelids growing heavy. Suddenly, an irresistible urge takes hold. Your jaw unhinges, stretching wide. You inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air. A satisfying sigh escapes your lips as your jaw closes, completing the yawn. What just happened? A yawn, in its simplest form, is a reflex. It's an involuntary action controlled by your brain. When you yawn, your diaphragm contracts, pulling air into your lungs. Simultaneously, muscles in your face and neck stretch, opening your mouth wide. This coordinated effort increases blood flow to your brain and helps regulate your body temperature. But the yawn is more than just a physical response. It's a complex behavior with deep roots in our biology and social interactions. Why we yawn. Unraveling the enigma. The million-dollar question: why do we yawn? While there's no single definitive answer, scientists have proposed several intriguing theories. One popular theory suggests yawning helps boost oxygen levels in the brain. Think of it as a much-needed reboot for your mental hard drive. Another theory points to yawning's role in regulating brain temperature. Just like a computer fan cooling down an overheated processor, a yawn might help dissipate excess heat, keeping your brain functioning optimally. Perhaps the most fascinating theory revolves around yawning's social implications. Have you ever noticed how contagious yawns can be? One person yawns, and suddenly everyone around them is doing the same. This phenomenon, known as contagious yawning, suggests a deeper connection. Some scientists believe contagious yawning might be linked to empathy. Seeing someone yawn triggers a similar response in our brains, fostering a sense of connection and understanding. It's like a subconscious way of saying, "I see you, I feel you, we're in this together." Yawning myths debunked. Separating fact from fiction. Yawning, like any good mystery, has its fair share of myths and misconceptions. Let's set the record straight. One common myth claims yawning means you're bored or tired. While it's true that fatigue can trigger yawning, it's not the only factor. We also yawn when we're alert and engaged, suggesting other mechanisms at play. Another myth suggests yawning helps us get more oxygen. While a deep inhalation is part of the process, studies haven't found a direct link between yawning and increased oxygen levels. Our bodies have other, more efficient ways of regulating oxygen intake. So, the next time you yawn, don't be ashamed. Embrace it. It's a natural, healthy response with a fascinating scientific backstory.